It takes approximately 2.5 hours to fly from London, UK to Valencia. Cost varies, so do your homework to find a flight and a price that suits you from wherever you are in the world. The third largest city in Spain, renowned for its rich artistic heritage, Valencia seamlessly juxtaposes the charm of the old with the futuristic modernity of neo-architecture. Any time is a good time to visit, whether grabbing some local tapas or getting a taste of the nightlife. Valencia holds something for all, so stay tuned whilst I share my experiences on wheels. I have just arrived here in Valencia. The weather is absolutely weathering. It's 20 degrees, I think, now. Just got to my apartment, but I cannot check in. Well, I can't access the apartment just yet, so I've just left my bags. Going to go for a little walk around the local area, quite close to the water's edge, so let's go. Okay, well, this is Tinganada too. Quite a lot of bird poop on the floor, but isn't it a gorgeous space? Look at this. Multi-purpose space, cyclists, people practicing Spanish dancing, or is it tap? And what I'm here for, roller skating. Okay guys, so change of plan. I'm not going to do a local walkabout. I've just bumped into a lovely skater called Olga, originally from Poland, but she lives in Berlin. So I'm going to go back to the apartment, grab my skates out the locker, dump off all of this heavy shit that, well, I've not even really got heavy shit, I've just got my camera and my phones and stuff. Dump everything off and then get back on my skates. So I'll see you shortly. Bye.
A few moments later.
This routine to BC Boys. Okay. It's not, but it's super fast, but it's
1, 2, get down. Paid the cost to be the boss.
Oh my gosh guys, Olga is absolutely fantastic. We had so much fun sharing tips, riffs and routine, and as part of the famed JSC Berlin group founded by Umi Janta, Olga's style is fluid and quirky, and if you want to see more of her great skating skills, just head over to her IG. Oh, and I have to add as well, she actually teaches, so definitely hit her up. I've popped her IG address here in the video, and it's also going to be in the description box too.
Look at me. Know what to see? See a bad mother.
Anyway, I skated the time away until it was time for me to check into the apartment. Here's a little tour. So I stayed at the Mac Flats, Valencia Puerto, in a one-bedroom apartment, which is actually suitable for 4 people. The cost per night was £90. Sadly, my visit coincided with the tragic Valencia floods, and the initial apartment that I was offered had suffered some water damage with mould on the ceiling of the bedroom. The proprietors of the apartments were so helpful that they actually transferred me to another apartment, and this is what you're seeing now. I'm still going to scrub everything like I normally do. Even if it's a hotel and it's the most pristine hotel, I still have to give everything a wipe down and clean with my Dettol wipes. And I'll hit you back. So here we go. The cleaning operation begins.
Over 36 BB pins on me and clear me and the park. Clean up. Every day I make clean. I don't know where I make clean.
Okay, hey, good evening, guys. So the apartment got sorted, and I'm heading out to the supermarket now to get some groceries. There's a really nice organic place up here, which I kind of researched before coming out, so we'll go and have a look. Oh, Beagle baby. You know, my dog, crazy lady. Here's the puppy. The lighting in here is absolutely awful, but I have made it back in one piece from my shop, and here is what I bought from Ecologica Veritas, which is a really nice bio, basically organic supermarket, because that's what I buy when I'm at home. I tend to eat a lot of organic stuff that are, you know, the clean 15 and the dirty dozen. I kind of adhere to that kind of a lifestyle. So let's see what we got. So this is a supermarket haul. This is what I'm going to eat in the mornings, because I know myself. I know when I go out anywhere, I'm just going to be eating bare flipping croissants and potatoes. So I thought I'd keep it nice and fresh and light and green and healthy. So have a look. Okay, so we have the fruit. We've got some organic bananas, blueberries. We have these at home actually. Organic raspberries, some lemons, avocados. They were actually on sale. Tomatoes, walnuts, papaya because I love it. I like to eat my fruit in the morning. And I had these last year in Barcelona at Skate Love, and I loved them. So, oh no, actually it was Paris. It was Paris 2 years ago, I think. I don't know. Anyway, then I saw these. I've not seen these back home in the UK. So I'm going to try them. I'm going to meet up with the guys for another skate actually, but I got these to try. Pretzels because I just love a pretzel. This because I'm going to have it. I got eggs as well because I'm going to have it with some eggs. coconut water so I can mix them with my protein shake powder. And I got some eggs. Oh, and as you can see, I got that woolly water. Oh, and I actually got some cinnamon sticks because it's kind of hard to get organic cinnamon sticks where you just pick up the amount you need. You normally just buy it in a packet in the UK and you get like 3 sticks for like £10, and it's stupid like that. That was only £2.59 and they're organic. And look at how much I got. That's that whole thing. That's probably like 3 packets, 3 of those glass jars filled with. But yeah, I was not pleased with that. So that'll be coming home with me. So that is my haul, y'all. Oh, let me actually show you this water because I love it. Every time I come to Spain, this is the water that I drink. Some bougie water in a really nice glass bottle. So yeah, that is my water. This is what I'm going to be eating for the next few days, or in the mornings, and then I'll be eating out the rest of the time. Oh my gosh, all I gotta say, guys, is you have made it through to this part of the video. You are all keepers. Thanks again for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget notifications so you can stay in tune to see what more is to come from Spain Travels. See you soon.